Nagano is a mountainous prefecture located in the middle of Japan's main island of Honshu. It's famous for its scenic beauty and their natural hot springs and monkeys. You can do a lot of sightseeing, but most people prefer to go for the snow sports. It was even the host of the 1998 Winter Olympics. Its relatively cool summers and snowy winters make it a popular getaway. There's a few ways to get there, and some are cheaper than others. The train will take about 2 hours, while a bus ride will take about 4. If you opt for the Shinkansen, standard fare for a round trip is about 16,800 yen. But most tourists coming to Japan will probably have a rail pass, like the JR Rail Pass. It gives you unlimited travel all around Japan, whether you're taking the Shinkansen or a local train. Although the city of Matsumoto has an airport, access by airplane isn't really practical from Tokyo. There are also flights from other cities like Osaka and Fukuoka, but none of them are really cheap. If you're on a real budget, the highway bus is your best bet. The 4-hour trip will cost around 3,000 yen for adults and 1,500 for kids. There are also buses leaving from Osaka or Kyoto for about 6,000 to 7,000 yen. The bus isn't the greatest way to get there, but it's a great way to see some of the countryside. Once you have your ticket, you can find the bus terminal at Shinjuku's west exit. But be careful, it's kind of a maze in there. Hey, if you like what you just watched, subscribe to our channel for more videos like them. And for more on Nagano, visit our website at JapanCheapo.com.